All right.
Yes, there.
And what's your name?
Tanya.
And how long you working here?
10 years.
10 years. That's a whole lot of years.
It is.
Yeah. And what do you have here?
T-shirts, tank tops, coffee, rum,
Mi
shot
cartera.
glasses,
How much?
lots of stuff.
Yeah, look. They have this.
Yeah, the Jamaican dress, and those are locally made.
Yes. I like
Yeah,
this
I
too.
don't like
This nice. Is this a short?
It is.
Oh, I thought it was like a skirt. And we have Bob Marley stuff and all that.
They have a little bit of everything. Magnets, key rings.
Yes.
Have a little bit of everything.
Yeah, a little bit of everything. And you have these in the packet. Look, the Jamaican shirt. They're nice.
Yeah, I like
Beautiful
this.
stuff.
The quality is good also.
Yes. I love the
So
color.
this is the red stripe beer section, Bob Marley.
Yeah.
We have baseball caps over there.
Yeah. And look at these tie and dye. I love these tie and dye. What size is this? 6 to 8.
They're 68 years old.
Too small.
We have it bigger. So it's from 2 to... For you, it's over here, adult. Adult is right there. Right in that section there.
Mi cartera.
Someone
No, vale 10 el tuyo.
I'm sure it's
Comprende.
Excel.
Excel.
Dice Jamaica ya.
So what's the price on these?
Those ones are for $44.99.
Oh, okay.
Yo te estoy llamando.
These were the ones I saw yesterday hanging out. What's the price on these?
Same price.
45.
In this section.
Neat. This one nice. Even this one.
I have to try to figure out something.
So much,
Over there, those are baseball caps over there.
much for the bead. Like them there.
East. Look at these over here. Magnum. And they
Oh.
look like hot pepper sauce or something
How you sell
like
it
that.
on them?
And she have rum and
Depends on
stuff.
the size.
The rum?
In by size.
Big one,
No, those.
the smaller one are the flask.
So my flask.
The flask is for 15.
And look at these beautiful hats and stuff. Yeah, and the color and everything. So, let me see that. I want that.
And then we have coffee mugs, water bottles.
Mm-hmm. Look, yeah, they have grater. With nutmeg. That's nice.
With the little
And this-
cinnamon, the
yeah,
spice,
that's
and
nice.
ginger,
And
So
hot
this is-
sauce.
brown ginger, pimento,
Yeah,
cinnamon, the grater, nutmeg.
yeah. And this is hot sauce and
Yeah.
stuff.
Taste of Jamaica, all different flavors.
You really got me. That's nice. I've never seen that one before.
Then it comes with the jerk sauce with 5 different hot sauce.
Yeah.
Very good.
And these are like flavor seasoning.
Yes. Jerk chicken, all-purpose oxtail. We have the good Jamaican curry powder. And see, we have the bracelets.
Yeah, that's nice. This nice. And while I do that,
Just these for you.
hold on. I think she have one in her hand. She's working out for me. Look at these bracelets. Thousand. So,
All different. No, that's different. 35. So this one and this one.
I have to try to figure out which one of them 2 years I never take.
Better.
What's the price on that one?
75. This is a nice same price, $44.99.
44.
So this one says Jamaica One Love. This one just says Jamaica established 1962, where we gained independence from.
Oh. That's a hard choice. But I think I'm gonna go with this.
The Jamaican color.
Yes.
No problem. I'll put this one down.
Look at these little dolls. Yeah. You know.
The bracelet.
Yeah?
Bracelet shot glass for you. You have them rubber when you don't do on the back.
The rubber one here. You want to for my granddaughter.
You have the clip on one.
How these go?
You just put it over.
Oh, give me 2 of those. Give me with the Jamaican. You have the mixed Jamaican color.
Let me show you what I have these three. But these ones are the Jamaica color, but this one Rasta. Unless you want one clip on one rubber.
So the
We have a lot of workers.
Oh, just with that.
They have that miles.
So this one took up something. Alright. Come say. So this is from this. The man and him. Purple one.
What's them there?
So we have these ones over here for $5.
Oh.
And we have over there for $10. Most people like the beaded ones. Some of them can mix them up. See, we have the Akisak here. Something of Jamaica with the currency.
that's
As I
nice.
know, some people don't know the currency. So this is another buy this a different in a Jamaican 70. A small little coin purse.
How much for those?
These ones are for 18
18.
US.
You know, say that color they me like. That color you catch me eye.
So one of this.
How much for these 3?
You want 3 of these?
My husband is getting these 2. How much for these?
70
70 feet 2.
That's it for you?
Yeah. So how much is this?
153. 153.
150
3.
US.
Yeah. 75 for the set. That's 45. And you have 3 bracelets. And the bracelet. And you have the coin purse. And the 3 bracelets.
So how much in Jamaica?
Oh, sorry. Jamaican. I don't know where you're at here. Sorry. Jamaican 26,000. 26,000 Jamaican.
6,000. That sounds like a lot. Easton.
It's 150.
Himself with them here at 26,000. 20, what you say?
It's 26,000.
260,000.
26,000.
26,000. Okay.
Yeah, boy, yeah.
Cool.
It's a jar. It's a jar. Let me catch it.
You have to go back.
Oh. You want to do this? Oh.
You want to go back?
You can with a card.
Yeah, we can card.
Use a card.
Yeah.
You want you need a white one? Huh?
Probably one of this.
much is that? Check how much is
Like
that?
that legend. Open it and have a look. Open it and have a look.
How much one of them?
Those are $64. That's your size, large?
64
medium, but we take it large one.
64 how much?
In a Jamaican? Not your calculator.
Don't broke the foot.
But a good quality.
Mm.
And it in a fade when I wash it. Years before it starts shed. Open it now. Open it, have a look. Show him.
Thank
Yeah,
Bob Marley legend.
yeah.
It's a nice design.
Mm.
We also have the colorful one with the face.
Wow.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Take note, please.
You like that one? Huh?
Okay, okay. Yeah, Jamaican Girl TV. So go on it right now and subscribe, please. Both of you.
Jamaica
Get your phone. Get your phone.
YouTube say Jamaica Girl TV.
Yeah.
Jamaica Girl TV.
And
You
one
can
with,
subscribe to
In the
them.
shirt.
yeah.
No, this is for mommy bag.
In my shirt.
See here about there.
No, next
Yeah.
one.
Jamaica Girl TV. Me go subscribe when I finish.
You can want
This-
me shirt
Yeah.
them for your for my channel.
Yeah, yes.
And that means you know when we buy